How to download Fortnite mobile application on your iOS device outside EU. So how you can get Fortnite on outside EU or on your iOS? Unfortunately, because of little spat between Epic and Apple, Fortnite is currently only available to download on iOS in the EU. So, to an agreement, this means the players in the USA, Canada, Australia, and anywhere around the world will be unable to get the game legally. There are technical some workarounds that can be used to get Fortnite on iOS. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So to get it on Android, there is a step you can follow. Head to the website fortnite.com and download at the Epic Game Center. You may get a notification sharing your phone cannot install unknown apps. Press setting and then allow the apps from unknown sources and then install it. So this is all about how you can install. Thank you so much for watching it.